to 1227 Beryl Street. We are 6 blocks from the ocean. There are so many things I love about this home in Pacific Beach. Let's start with the outside. Look at all of this entertainment space, even before you get into this modern coastal farmhouse. Open concept, lots of natural light, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Walk with me. There are 2 homes on 1 lot, and it only gets better. More entertainment space outside. Look at all of this space, which leads to the 2-car garage and enough room to park your RV, boats, jet skis. Another feature I love is this elevated deck with, wait for it, views of the ocean. One of my other favorite things about our new listing with Seller's Corner is the ADU has views not only of the ocean, but the San Diego skyline. And take a look at all the natural light in this 1 bedroom, 1 bath ADU. It feels like you're living in luxury.